Hello, everyone. My name is Ignacio. I usually go by Iggy. I think I've had class with some of you guys looking at the name list. To describe my work role and working with people who have been diagnosed with mental health, I currently work for a company named Horizon House. In this company, we have a lot of our participants who have been diagnosed with depression, schizophrenia, and a wide range of different mental health diagnoses and conditions. Um, my belief for mental health is that as far as the diagnosis goes, my belief is that it affects everyone different, and I really came to see that working for this company, we have some of the people that we work with who are diagnosed with a certain mental health condition and are able to work and live a normal life where you wouldn't even know that they have a diagnosis, while other people that have been diagnosed with the same mental health condition have a very hard time just staying at baseline. So there are certain of our clients, participants that we have to put a lot more effort and pay a lot more attention to compared to other individuals. Now, I don't think that just because someone has a mental diagnosis, they're limited to what they can and can't do. Depending on what the diagnosis is, some of them can go on and live a completely normal life, where most people wouldn't even know, like I said earlier, that they even have a diagnosis, while others just have a much more hard time. But my belief with the diagnosis and condition is that with proper support and efforts from community members and organizations like ours, we are able to help them as much as we can and ensure that they're able to continue to live the best life that they possibly can. Um, as far as how I participate in making DSM-5 diagnosis, in my position currently, I don't do much of that. It's mostly done by our psychiatrist. However, we do participate as far as keeping up with what the diagnosis entail, as far as how they're described by the DSM-5, and so on and so forth. Thank you.